Hi children, today we are going to learn about lesson 3 digits 1 to 9. Observe the trees, birds, ants, balloons, ducks, children, etc. in the picture given below. How many of them are there? Let us learn about this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮರಗಳು, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂವುಗಳು, ಆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವೆಗಳು, ಬಾಲ್ ಚೆಂಡು, ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವುಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿವೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈಗ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ playing. A girl is playing with ants. A boy playing with ball. These children are playing with the balloons. These birds are flying high in the sky. Let us count in this picture. We have only one football. How much children? One, right? One. So, this is one. How many trees are there? Yes, 2 trees are there. This is one. This is one. 1 plus 1 is 2. There are 2 trees are there. There are 3 ducks. How many ducks children? 3 ducks. So write 3. And here, how many children are playing? Yes, 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. Here, how many birds are flying? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds are flying. So write 5. Here, colorful flowers are there. Let us count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers children? 6. So write 6. Here, how many balloons are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balloons are there. So, write 7. Here, how many fruits are there children? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fruits are there? Yes, 8 fruits are there. So, write 8. See here, ants are moving. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many children? 9. So, write 9. Okay, understood children? Match as shown. Here, some pictures are given. We do match with correct ones. One is done for you. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಬಾಲ್, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್, ರಾಬಿಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್, ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್, flowers, then butterfly. So, let us match children. Ball with the bat. One ball, one bat. Then again ball, bat. Ball, bat. Next picture we can see rabbits. Rabbit with the carrot. One rabbit, one carrot. Another one rabbit, another one carrot. Let us match. Here 1, 2, 3 girls. 1, 2, 3 caps. They have to match them. For this girl, this cap. This girl, this cap. This girl, this cap. Let us match flower with the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterfly. We have to match now. 1 flower, 1 butterfly. Flower, butterfly. Flower, butterfly. Flower, butterfly. Then last flower, last butterfly. Okay, understood children? Yes. Now we will learn about more and less. Here 2 parts are there. Which part is more? Now we will count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. Here 1, 2, 3 sticks are there in this pot. Which pot is more? Yes, this pot is more. So, shall we tick here? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು? ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೋರ್, ಲೆಸ್. ಮೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Look at the pictures given below. Tick right mark the part which has more. Here in the first picture we can see the groundnuts. Here you have many. Here you have less. They saying tick the part which has more. So tick children. Tick here. Shall we do the exercise? Children, we can count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 balls. How many balls children? 16 balls. Here count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls on this side. So, where you have more number of balls? Here. So, tick children. What is this children? Yes, chocolates. How many chocolates is there this side? Let's count children. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you have 3 chocolates. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolates. Which side we have more number of chocolates? Yes, this side. So, tick children. Now, shirts. In this sides, you have 2 shirts. And this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shirts. Which side more number of shirts? This side, 5. You have more number of shirts. So, tick children. Pants. 1, 2, 3 pants this side. This side, 1 pant. Which side more number of pants? So, this side. So, tick children. Look at the pictures given below. Tick right mark the part which has less. So, in this previously, we have tick the part which has more. Now, we have to tick the part which has less. Now first is already done for you. Second one here. Ice cream. How many ice creams is there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice cream you have on this side. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 ice creams this side. Which side you have less ice cream? Yes, 3. So, tick this box, children. Here, only one flower on this side. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers on this side. Which side less number of flowers? Yes, here. So, tick, children. Next here, pens. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pens? 8 pens. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pens? Yes, 9 pens. Which side we have less pens? Yes, this side. So, tick, children. Next, we are count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. This side, 1, 2 dogs. On which side less number of dogs? Yes, this side. So, tick, children. Okay, understood, children? Yes. Now we are going to start numbers. 1. O-N-E 1. 1 football. 1 mango. 1 tree. 1 horse. In this picture, name the things that are 1 in number. We can see in this picture, children. 1 bird. What is this, children? Bird. 1 bird. Tree. 1 tree. 1 sun. 1 house. 1 cow. What is this, children? Yes, well. 1 well. Pot. 1 pot. 1 door. Then 1 window. Turn the page, children. Next number 2. T-W-O 2. 2 balls. 2 cranes. 1, 2 turtles. 2 ducks. In this picture, name the things that are 2 in number. 2 giraffe. How many giraffe, children? 2 giraffe. Giraffes. How many deers are there? Yes, 1, 2. 2 deers are there. Here, rabbits. 1 rabbit, 2 rabbit. 2 rabbits. Here, 2 elephants. Elephants. Now, moving on to the next number. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 balls. 1, 2, 3 balls. 3 pumpkins. 3 apples. 3 fishes. In this picture, name the things that are 3 in number. How many trees are there, children? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 trees. Right? 3 trees. Here, how many cars is there? Yes, 1, 2, 3 cars. 3 house. Three houses. Here, 3 monkeys. 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys. 3 cows. Moving on to the next number. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 balls. 4 TVs. 4 cars. Then 4 cycles. What is the number, children? Yes, 4. In this picture, name the things that are 4 in number. Here, how many trees are there? Yes, 4 trees are there. Count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees. Next, 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children. Next, 4 classroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 classroom. Moving on to the next number 5. F-5-V-E 5. What is the number, children? Yes, 5. You know 5? Yes. How many balls is there? Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clocks. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bells. In this picture, name the things that are 5 in numbers. How many trees are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trees are there. How many cars are there here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars are there. How many plants are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many plants? 5 plants. How many houses are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 houses. How many auto rickshaws are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 auto rickshaws are there. Identify the groups having equal number of objects matched as shown. Here, second one is done for you. 2 stars and 2 rabbits. Like this, you have to match for other object. Here, 1, 2, 3 stars. We have no here. In which picture you have seen 3 objects? Yes, this one. 1, 2, 3 cars. So, you have draw the line, children. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Where you can see 4 objects? Yes, here. 1, 2, 3, 4 mangoes. So match these children. Star with mangoes. Here have 1 star. Here have 1 pickle. So match it, children. How many stars are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars are there. Which picture we see 5 objects? There are 5 pigeons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pigeons. So draw the line, children. Okay, understood, children?